You just found the perfect recipe that you thought you would try, but it calls for buttermilk and you don't have any. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can replace your buttermilk by making it yourself using whole milk. Let's get started. Do you ever have that recipe that calls for 1 cup of buttermilk and you don't have any? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way, 2 versions of how you can make a cup of buttermilk without having to buy one. It'll save you money and time. Let's get started. Okay, to make our cup of buttermilk using this version, you'll be needing 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. We'll also be using some whole white milk. I'm not sure about other types of milk. You'll just have to do you some research and figure it out. All we ever buy is whole milk. So we're going to measure out 1 cup of milk. And now for 1 cup of milk, when you're using the white vinegar method, you'll measure out 1 tablespoon per 1 cup of milk of white vinegar. And give that a mix. And a lot of y'all might ask, does that make your milk smell and taste like vinegar? No, it don't. You just gotta let it sit there. I always let it sit there around 10 minutes before I use this in replace of my buttermilk. Okay, we'll set that one to the side. And now we're gonna make 1 more version of buttermilk. Okay, now to make our next kind of buttermilk, we'll be using another 1 cup of milk, and then we're going to be using some lemon juice. You can do buttermilk 2 different ways, with vinegar and lemon juice. So now we're going to measure out 1 cup of our milk. I know we've all been in this boat before, where you have a recipe and it calls for buttermilk. And nobody in the family drinks buttermilk. You just use it every once in a while in a recipe. So you hate going out to buy those little quarts of buttermilk because they're very expensive and you won't use it all. So now we're going to measure out 1 tablespoon of our lemon juice. Give that a mix. And we'll do the same as that with the first one. You'll let this one set also for around 10 minutes before you get ready to use it. So if you're needing 1 cup of buttermilk, you don't have to go out and buy it. You can make it with white vinegar or lemon juice and your regular milk. It's simple and easy, and it'll save you a lot of money. Now you can tell already how this milk is already, the texture's changing. And it's only been just a few minutes. So before we make our homemade biscuits using buttermilk, I'm going to let that sit for a while, for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be able to make our recipe without going to buy any buttermilk. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget that new hype button YouTube has. And like always, thanks for watching.